Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today we have a Diamond Art Club unboxing, and this is the first Diamond Art Club purchase that I've made. I decided to take the plunge and see if what everybody says about them being the best quality and the best diamond paintings is correct. So the box arrived to me within, I think, about 2 weeks. I'll find out the dates and put them down below for you. So yeah, let's get into it and have a look and see what we got. Okay, so I got 2 paintings. They both have the pink strip and the round on them. So they are both round and they are partials as well. It's just something that I thought I would try, and rather than buying a huge painting that I know will intimidate me and possibly I won't get done, I wanted something that's not going to take me months to do and I can enjoy doing. So these are my purchases. So let's have a look at the first one. We'll put the other one to one side. Let's get into this. All this plastic. Oops. Take these off. Hopefully these will fit onto my table so you can see them. If they don't, we may have to have another plan. And I think you can see there what I've got, and it is the hipster Boston Terrier. And I think you'll see there's a theme with most of my diamond paintings. I do like my little pooches. So there you are. I love the boxes from Diamond Art Club. I don't know whether you can see the sparkly holographic. Makes the like snowflakes, stars behind it dazzle. I don't think you can quite see that, but they've arrived in perfect condition. The boxes, there's no dents or things in them or anything. So let's get this box open and have a look. Okay, and oops, get all my little bits and pieces out as well. I've seen a lot of unboxings of lots of different Diamond Art Club paintings. So that's the box empty. Yep, that's everything. So I know what to expect. So we have Hipster Boston Terrier. This is a nice sticker. This will go in my little book with 18 colours on this one. And it looks like there's one AB because that one's less than 150, and any colour less than 150 on these, so I believe is an Aurora Borealis, an AB, which is a coated diamond, which gives you like an oil on water, a Northern Lights type effect. Okay, he's really sweet there. Okay, so we have a nice little toolkit. See what this is like. Okay, so we've just got a little clear boat, quite very small actually that. Okay, we've got a couple of heart-shaped waxes. Okay, which is pink wax. Quite a few baggies. Now these are the real thin baggies that tear quite easily. So okay, so that's your bags. We have a blue single placer there with a little pen guard on it, a squishy, just so that you can hold it better, makes the pen a little bit thicker. And that one, is that a 3-placer or a 4-placer? That one is, you can see that there, whoops. That one is a 4-placer, but that's one of the very thin white ones rather than the chunky ones. So a bit better quality there. So yeah, fairly just up from a basic toolkit really. Nothing to write home about there. Okay. And oh, we do have our little sticker there as well. So you can either put this on your box or again put it in your little book. But yeah, that's quite sweet. Nice little Boston Terrier. Actually, that one, I could probably put that on a card. But hey ho, that's just my brain working overtime. Right, let's have a look at this canvas and have a look at the drills. Okay, oh, the canvas is very, very soft. It's got like oil skin, like velour, velvety feel to it. And it has the scalloped edge. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, it's very big. Okay, I'll pop the drills on one side. It's just rolling backwards a little bit just so he lays out flat. Hopefully he will fit on my desk so that you can see him. Okay, do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club at the top. got your lovely little glasses on him there. So yeah, so this is what they call a partial drill, and it means that the background, none of that is sticky, so there's nothing on there. It has got a real nice sparkle to it though, so it will still catch the light. I don't know if you can see any, no, it's not really going to show up on this, but where the numbers are is actually sticky, so that's where you put your little beads, your drills, your little diamonds, and that looks quite a good drill feel. Let's have a look. Yeah, where the light colours have got dark on them and the dark colours have got a nice light on them. Okay, we've got your little key code at the top end there, so when you're working on the top you can see that, and when you're working on the bottom you can see it down there as well, so you can work from both sides. But I have to say, yeah, so far the quality of the canvas is very different from everything I've had before. It looks really good quality. I'll have to see how it drills up. I think this will be quite a nice project to do, quite easy to do. It's got a real sparkly like glitter in the canvas. Really nice. Good clear symbols for me as well with my eyesight. Okay, so let's have a look at these drills and see what we've got. Cream colour like that. Oh, come on. So 18 colours, not too bad. Oh, you do get a little step-by-step instructions with these as well. Start creating your masterpiece today, and it just tells you a step-by-step guide, tips and tricks of how to diamond paint there. Oh, and you do get a code for a 10% off your next purchase in your little booklet there, so that's quite good. Okay, there are all DMC codes on all of these. So we start off with our 310, and then number 141, as I said, is an AB, which is Aurora Borealis, and I think you can see there, just turn it that way around, the sparkle in it. It has like a coating, like an oil on water, Northern Lights coating, and it just sparkles that little bit more. So where does number 141 go, which is the number 1? Right, okay, so number 1 is basically all the white bits on this little pooch. So it's all on his forehead here, around his little muzzle, all around there, a little bit in his eyes, so that'll be nice, that'll make his eyes sparkle, and then all down his little front and his tummy, at the top of his legs here, all down there. So a nice lot of ABs. I may put some of my black ones. I have got some nice little black ABs. I may put those in, just maybe to make his nose shine a little bit more and his eyes shine a little bit more. And I have seen some people have changed the colour on the glasses as well, and the bow rather than it being red. But I like the red. I think the red and cream looks really good. So let's carry on. We've got a 3371, which is like a brownie colour. Some more brownie colours. This will all be the shading in your dog. We've got a burgundy, a beige colour. This will be the shading around his muzzle and his tummy. And then we've got the peach colour, which is around his muzzle. And we've got the red for the glasses and the bow. Some male beiges and browns. And some more reds for your shading. And a little bit of green, which just goes around his eyes, just for shading there. So he's really sweet. I do like that. Look at that little face. As you can tell, I'm a real dog lover, so I do tend to go for cutesy and dogs. But yeah, I think I'm quite happy with that. Got a little thumbnail down there, look, as well of him. And it tells you on this one, it's 41 by 48. And it's Maryline Cazenave, is it? Cazenave? Maryline Cazenave Diamond Art Club. So they are all licensed artwork from Diamond Art Club. So that's a little bit why you pay a little bit more premium price for them. But yeah, I'm impressed with the quality. But as I say, I'll do a post review and we'll see how it all drills up and see what we look like afterwards. So that's my first one. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay, so let's get on to the next one. And this one is a little Bubblegum Spaniel. Again, it's a round. We've got our pink stripe on it. And this one again is 41 by 48, the same as the Boston Terrier, but this one's all in pinks, and I just thought that picture was absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, let's get into it and have a look. Got everything out? Yep, got everything out the box. Okay, so look at that little face. Oh, and it's got some flumps. It's got bubblegum and flumps down there, a little pink spotty cup. Oh, we used to have a spaniel. He was black though. He was an American Cocker Spaniel. There's a little sticker there as well. And it looks like, yeah, it's the same toolkit, so I'm not going to open another toolkit. We'll just put that one there. Yeah, we had a little Cocker Spaniel called Sweep, because he just looked like one of our little puppet shows we have here in the United Kingdom called Sooty and Sweep. The lady who we bought our American Cocker Spaniel from was quite heartbroken because she didn't think it was a very fitting name for one of her pedigree dogs, but we thought it just suited him so much. You've got your little instruction sheet again with your discount code on. Just pop the drills to one side. So, whoa, this is really pink. Let's have a look. And it's another lovely soft canvas again. Let's just give it, because this is poured glue, you can roll it back the other way. Don't ever do this with one that has one of the covers that isn't see-through, because you can ruin your canvas doing that. Okay, so, and there we have her. She's a little, oh, she could be a boy, I suppose. Pink and red. Okay, so again, we've got Do What Makes You Sparkle at the top. We've got the key code at the side there and the side there. Now this one has 27 colours, so it has an extra 9 colours to the Boston Terrier, so that must be in all the shading in your bow there and on your Spaniel. Look at that bubble, that's just really, really funny. I love the flumps down here at the bottom as well. Look, you've got your sweets and your little cup with your spots on. This is going to be really cute, and it is my favourite colours. I do like my pinks. So, and this one again has 141 as the AB, which is the white colour again. Okay, for the highlights. So again, the drill field looks really clear. Can't see that I'm going to have any problems with this. So I do have sight problems. My right eye is not brilliant, so I need all the help I can get when I'm diamond painting. But yeah, that all looks pretty fine to me. Again, it's a partial, same as the Boston. I'm hoping that there'll do a Scottish Terrier in this one. I want a Scotty dog. I'll have to write and ask them. Okay, so yeah, the background isn't sticky, but where the numbers and symbols and letters are, that is all sticky. So you just do the partial on there. But isn't that sweet? Look at that little face. I love the eyes. Look, they're like human eyes. They're blue. I wonder if this is an American Cocker. They have a stubborn nose, whereas the English Cocker Spaniels all have a longer snout, a longer nose, and they have longer ears, whereas the American Cocker has, although they have the long feathers on the ears, they're not quite as long, the ears. So, yeah. In my former life, I used to go out dog grooming, but that's a long time ago. Okay, so look at these colours. Oh, these are definitely me. Look at these colours. Pinks, pinks and more pinks. Yay! So we start off with a grey and a burgundy and your 310 black. And that's like a reddy pink there, and browns. Oh, look at all these colours. Browns, burgundy, till you get to the pinks. And then that's your white AB there. Not as many as there is on the Boston. Let me have a look. It's the number 1s again. So it's all up here on the bow. And can I see any more? Oh, there's a few on the bubble there, and there's a few down at the bottom here on the bubbles as well, on the sweets. So not too many, but again I might put some on the bow, some red on the bow. And is there any ones in the eye? No, there's none in the eyes. Oh, there's one on that one, but not on that one. So there's some around the glasses there, so you've got the reflection on the glasses. Okay, so not too bad. Might add some extras. I'll have to see. As it says, my first Diamond Art Club. Oh, look at that hot pink. Love pink, love pink. And then that's a really lovely red there. You've got your pale pink and your hot pink there. Wow. Okay, and then look at these. Look at these pinks. Oh, look at that one. The drills look really good quality as well. I can't see any trash in them. We'll have to have a look as we're doing this one. Look at those 4 pinks, and then with that hot pink as well. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Oh, I'm just going to smile all the way through doing this one with all these pinks in it, and then another pink. Just look at all the different shades. Wow, no wonder there's 27 colours in this. The shading on this cup and around the bubble and everything is going to be fantastic. Wow. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, so yeah. Okay, Diamond Art Club, yeah. I'm pretty impressed with your canvases. I'm pretty impressed with your drills. I love the colours on this one. But again, we'll have to see how they turn out. So we've had a Spaniel that we've looked at today. There's a bit of a theme going on. And a Boston Terrier. I think we could just about get the faces in there. Okay, so my first Diamond Art Club. Made the leap, and we'll see how we get on. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how these turn out or want to see any more videos, please press that subscribe button. And if you've enjoyed the video, please press the like button. I can't speak. Please press the like button. Thanks for stopping by. See you all again soon. Bye for now.